Hey everyone! Everything I'm going to tell you in this video comes from reliable information provided by mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. If you're driving your Tesla and suddenly see the message, electrical system is unable to support all features, your first thought might be, is my car shutting down? Relax. The car is really just telling you that the 12-volt battery doesn't have enough power to keep all features active, so the system starts disabling non-critical functions, like climate control, heated seats, or some screens to protect the essentials. The most common cause reported by mechanics is a weak or discharged 12-volt battery. In a Tesla, this small battery powers all the secondary electronics, and if it fails, the car can't sustain them all. Replacing the 12-volt battery is usually the fastest and most effective solution, according to many owners. Sometimes the battery is fine, but the message keeps appearing. Another common cause from forums is aftermarket accessories like subwoofers, amplifiers, or USB gadgets that draw power even when the car is off. These devices can create a quick drain and trigger the message. The fix: disconnect anything that's not original and see if the alert disappears. If the message persists, many mechanics recommend restarting the car's electronics. You can do this by holding down the scroll wheels on the steering wheel or powering off the car from the safety and security menu. This won't fix the root cause, but in many cases it clears temporary errors and restores limited functions. There are also cases where the issue comes from loose or corroded 12-volt connections. Some mechanics found that a broken connector or a loose ground prevented the battery from being used correctly. Once repaired, the message disappeared. Checking wiring and connections is a smart step before thinking about major replacements. Finally, if none of this works, it's time to take the car to Tesla service. In persistent cases, the system that converts high voltage to low voltage power, the PCS, or other modules affecting the 12-volt battery may need inspection or replacement. This ensures the car can support all functions again without limitations.